Up for sale, 1964 Impala. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 64 Impala, real super sport, finished in factory correct colors, Azure Aqua, with black interior, bucket seats, and console. Those are the factory correct colors for the car. It is powered by the bad boy 409 425 horsepower dual quad L80 aluminum intake and a Muncie 4-speed transmission. So as always, tell you what I know about it, we'll fire it up, and then we'll drive it. So we will start here in the front driver's side here. It looks to be a little bit of an older frame-off restoration that doesn't show too much use. I got pictures of the underneath. All the floors are primer colored with the frame that's beautifully painted. I mean, you see that on the ad. And the paint really doesn't have too many blemishes. But again, I'm going to go around it and show you what I see. Chrome and trim in the front. Look to be in... You see a little bit of, marking on it in some spots there. But still very good condition here. You got the SS409 plate. Not that that makes that big of a difference to the car, but it looks pretty cool. The hood fitment there looks to be mostly good. Nice there. A little close in the front here. That's just my opinion. I see a couple little hairline guys right there. What does he go there? That's nice. I'll show you the top over here. I can't wait to open the engine. This is the first 409 I've had, and I am pretty excited about it. Oh, yeah. There we go. 409, 425 horsepower, W motor, as my mechanic said. It says the QB suffix, so it's a 64 motor, 64 Impala. Nice that they put it in the car. The Muncie transmission is also a 64 cast Muncie, so again, kind of a period correct drivetrain in it. You see the aluminum intake and the dual carbs on there. I have a picture of the dual carbs on there, on the ad I'm saying. Firewall painted just as nice as the rest of the car. And as you see here, nice and clean and painted very nicely. Same thing goes for like this. Inner fender wells, where that is, and it's pretty special. Right there again, like I said, QB. And the casting number falls in line with the QB, putting it as a 64 motor. We'll have both of those on the ad as well, in case you want to visually see it. Underhood, nicely painted like the rest of the car. Trim tag is in place where it should be. Right there with the proper codes, 815 being the black interior, which is the SS black bucket seats, and the 918 being Azure Aqua. Let's keep going. The gentleman that I got it from Florida. That's as far as I know about the history, but from being underneath the car, there's no rust, of course. Oh, you got red line bias ply on there with the factory correct Super Sport hubcaps. Those also look great on the car. Always great with a stock look. Nice straight body. And again, I know it sits up on the pedestal, so the way it sits always looks kind of goofy, but it sits really nice. Keep going here. Nice finish in there. Nice windshield. Go down here. This all lines up very, very nice. See the lowers down there? Nice. And I see just a couple miscellaneous marks, maybe from getting in and out. Little chip right there. This trim down the car, very nice condition. Little guy right there. So let's hop in. VIN tag in place. Really, really nice door panel here. Super Sport badge on it. Carpet on there is in nice condition as well. your black interior. Seats, very nice condition. All of them, no rips. Keep a little bit of the warmth in here. Console, I like that this is a material, not just like plastic or painted vinyl. 4-speed with a nice factory correct shifter, of course. Dash with a tack in it. Paint, really very nice. A little bit of dust on that. Sweet. So, let's keep going. Nice seat backs. Start with the headliner. Headliner. I know you saw that. That's not the headliner, that's on the visor. Headliner's very nice though. Sail panels look good. Back seat, also nice. Same thing goes for the door panels here. Top of the car. Oh, it's got a nice sounding dual exhaust on it. Not too loud, which is, again, what you want. But it still has that masculine feel to it. I could be downplaying it, to be honest. Anyway, keep going here. Chrome and trim in the back, pretty much just like the front. You see a little bit of marking on it, a couple marks right there. And I just noticed it right around this tail light. There's a little bit of bubbling, and then there's this old sticker that looks like it's been here for a while, so I'm leaving it. And then notice this really old GM stamping on that too. That's pretty cool. Oh, your fitment, very nice. And I just saw it right here, a couple little marks in the paint. Let's open this guy up. Under trunk, nice. Weather stripping, nice, all the way around. Spare, it matches the car. A little trunk mat kit in there. Looks pretty good. Here's your quarters. And yeah, keep going. And you'll see here too, just right, a couple more bubbles right there. Little mark right there. Actually, no. That's coming off. Okay. Sweet. Oh, from my California duster. be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 64 Impala Super Sport. Bucket seats and console, finished in factory colors. Powered by the L80, 409, 425 horsepower. Dual quad with a Muncie transmission, 4-speed on the floor. We are getting to that point where we're gonna fire it up very soon, and then we will take it for a drive, and then I will hop in for a little bit of the driving so you can see the shifting and driving. So yeah, thank you. Yeah, we're okay.
Okay.
I made a boo-boo.
That's it.
She's smooth.
That is.